When it comes to determining your packaging, there are many contributing factors, but it all starts with what types of materials are being used. Did you know that the packaging materials a company uses influences Americans' purchasing decisions 67% of the time? With banding, we offer a wide array of materials for a broad range of applications and purposes. While there are many options to choose from, it's also important to find the best fit for your product. And in order to find what the best fit is, you need to start by answering a few questions. What is your end goal? Labeling, multi-packing, promotions, bundling, secondary packaging, unitizing? Are you looking for plain or printed material? Plain material can be brown or white paper, clear film, or a ribbon-like foam film available in various colors. Brown paper is ideal for those who want to bundle with a rustic, organic feel, whereas white paper is favored when aiming for a cleaner, sterile look, such as in the pharmaceutical industry. Film is tear-resistant for when you need that extra security, but if clear film is your desired look and you're seeking easy opening, our perforated film was made for you. If you're looking to label or bundle for multi-packs or promotions, you can use any of the materials imprinted with your custom design. Superior banding materials for high-quality products can be imprinted on one or both sides and are protected with a tear-resistant film coating. Brand your band with information like barcodes, nutritional facts, logos, deals, and more. We even take it to a step further and offer the option to print variable data on demand, such as weights and prices. Bundle and label in one easy step. While banding offers a variety of material options, it also offers a wide variety of material widths, from 20mm all the way up to 100mm. Again, what is your end goal? If your goal is labeling, 75 or 100mm gives you the most real estate to work with to ensure brand awareness and that your message is clearly communicated to consumers. Next, we'll take a look at what solution is best for your application. We have a variety of standalone machines with a large range of arch sizes. The ATS US 2000 AD is perfect for bundling and multi-packing. The ATS US 2100 AD is perfect for labeling and branding. Have the need for speed? We also offer solutions that are fully automated, like the ATS US 2000 PIC STA or the ATS US 2000 SIB FD, which are both ideal for bundling multi-packs with promotional material. The possibilities are endless with banding, and with the wide variety of material options available, we're certain we'll have a fit for you.